week we had Gav's birthday, and we did Star Wars Rebels in the gym. Me and Brady bought baby toys at Cardin's. We did a lot of science experiments. Happy Friday.
This week we had an experiment called Elephant's Toothpaste. It was super fun. It was also Gavin's early birthday. We also did a Star Wars game in gym. And in writing, we worked on persuasive essays. Mine is about the Patriots and how girls should be allowed to play in the NFL. In reading, we have been reading nonfiction. I'm done. Happy Friday!
This week we did persuasive essays. Mine is about puppies, and it was Gavin's birthday on Sunday, but we celebrated it on Friday.
This week it was my early birthday. We made elephant toothpaste for science. In PE, we played a Star Wars game. We learn about nonfiction for reading.
This week we did nonfiction and fiction. We also did the Star Wars game in the gym.
Today we had a good week. In science, we did some pretty cool stuff. It's something called elephant toothpaste, which is basically, I don't even know. We did a baking soda and vinegar combination, which created a type of gas that filled up a balloon. In writing, we are working on nonfiction. In math, we are working on partitioning. In writing, we are also working on persuasive essays and trying to persuade someone of something that they might not think is true, or something like that.
This week we were working on persuasive essays. My topic is hockey. In reading, we're doing a nonfiction feature unit.
This week on Friday, it was Gavin's birthday, and in gym we did a Star Wars game. Also, we are reading nonfiction books. Happy Friday.
We had a science test, and in PE we did a Star Wars game, and it was Gavin's early birthday.
Today is Gavin's birthday. In science, we are learning about energy. We also put baking soda and vinegar in one bottle, and it formed gas into one big balloon. In gym, we played a Star Wars game. It was very fun, and I was pretty good at it. In reading, we're reading nonfiction.
In gym this week, we played a really fun Star Wars game, and I loved being defense. I also got a potato, which is worth 5 points into the other team's goal. This week, we also started persuasive essays. Mine is about horses.
This week in science was really fun. We did the experiment elephant toothpaste. That's when you mix baking soda and vinegar. Then a gas starts to go into the balloon in the bottle, and it starts to get bigger.
This week we did an experiment called elephant toothpaste. It is where we put some ingredients in a bottle and it exploded. It was cool. Also in gym we played this cool Star Wars game.
Today we are having Gavin's early birthday. It's really on Sunday though. We played a cool Star Wars game in PE where we had to get balls and space stations. And there was also a stormtrooper with a lightsaber. We also are having a science test about energy, and we've been learning a lot about energy. We also watched a funny brain pop about energy too.
In science we made elephant toothpaste. In gym we played a Star Wars game. In reading we're doing nonfiction. In science we learned about energy.
This week, we celebrated Gavin's birthday, did a science test, did an experiment called elephant toothpaste, and did a baking soda plus vinegar experiment.
In gym, we did a Star Wars game. In writing, we made persuasive essays. I did video games as my topic. At reading, we read nonfiction.
We are having Gavin's birthday party today in the classroom. We also are having a science test today. We learned how to do math boxes, but with actually boxes.